President Aquino started his fifth SONA, recounting as the Philippines called as the sick man of Asia and transformed into one of the most promising economy in Asia. Para sa akin, yun yung conclusion ko para dun sa SONA ni Pinoy. Masasabi ko lang dun sa SONA ni Pinoy na hindi lahat ng sinasabi niya o pinapangako niya napapatupad. Kaya more on dun sa nai-interview namin, negative yung nagiging sagot nila or reaction nila.